Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining our HiSea webinar. The HiSea Consortium is a group of partners building services for you that will provide commercial benefit and cost savings for your operations. You have been invited as the stakeholders who have an interest in ports, their successful management, operations, and maintenance. We want to share with you what we are building. We want to listen and to hear your inputs and your needs. You are invited to send comments in the chat. They will be addressed at the end of each presentation. Importantly, we invite you to speak up at the roundtable discussion. The presentations will be recorded, but not the discussions, and we ask you kindly to keep yourselves on mute unless speaking, to assure that background noise does not disturb the quality of our webinar. Thank you. The agenda today starts with a presentation by the coordinator of the project, Dr. Chara El-Sarafi from Deltaris in the Netherlands. Chara is a specialist in data assimilation, data sciences, and applied informatics. She will introduce the HiSea services and the partners who are building these services for you. Next, Mr. Rafael Company, Director of Innovation and European Projects, and Mr. Mark Tanner from the Valencia Port Foundation in Spain will present the benefits that HiSea can bring to ports. These presentations will be followed by a live demonstration of the HiSea platform and the services presented by Pedro Galvao, who is the tech lead building the platform from Hydromode in Portugal. Pedro will demonstrate the HiSea platform in action, including the interfaces and functionality. The most important session is the roundtable discussion, which will be an opportunity for your comments, questions, and suggestions, which will guide further developments of the HiSea platform and services. I now turn over to Chara to present HiSea.